Hello everybody, it's Sandra. Today we're going to have a look at some jewelry. A lot of it is vintage. There's some real sterling, well, a lot of really beautiful pieces. I'm glad you've joined me today. Let's take a look at the terms of the sale. I only accept PayPal. Shipping is $5 in the US no matter how many pieces you buy. If you're outside the United States, it will be more. And you just need to let me know via email, which is iamthefunkypickle@gmail.com. All right, let me know what you think below. I'll be right back. So let's sell a little bit of jewelry. I don't know if I showed you this necklace before. It's amazing. This is 28 inches long. It is in nice condition. There are some tiny flea bites, tiny chips here and there. Nothing's cracked or there's not a big piece missing out of anything. It's really gorgeous. So I just wanted to prove to you that it is in fact not just glass, but clear quartz, also called rock crystal. It's also called colorless quartz, and probably a lot of other stuff too, for all I know. Oops. So if it's glass, I know it isn't because I already tested it before. If it's glass, it'll go in the red. If it's quartz, it's going to go right into this bottom. Let's watch it do that. It's amazing, isn't it? This is truly a stunner. A stunner. Let me put it back on the neck. I know these sell for a lot of money, and also in its time, I'm sure it was expensive. This is not something you would just walk into like Woolworths or something and buy in the day. This probably came from a high-end department store or a nice jewelry store. I love the shape of them. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I guess, right? 1, 2. Yeah, 5. That's a truly spectacular vintage necklace. So that's the first one. These earrings are very sparkly. Aren't those pretty? Look at all the different colors. Pretty facets. It says 925 China right there, but the thing about them is they're crowns. Check that out. They're for pierced ears, and I'll give you a better look if I can. Let me try to just zoom in a bit. How pretty is that? These are very pretty earrings. I love crown jewelry too. Nice and high from the side. Really pretty sterling silver earrings. How about this cool sterling silver bracelet? I love Aztec mask jewelry. This is well done. I love the carvings. I love the irregularities in the stones, color-wise and stuff. Take a look at the back. Lots of awesome tarnish that took a long time to get there. And it says made in Mexico, silver. Let's see how long it is. It measures about 7 inches. Here it is on the wrist. It's a cool piece. I think it's well made too. Look at this beautiful thing. That is very deco. I don't think it's real silver. It's gorgeous though. Let me take it off. It's about 7 inches long. Let's take a look at how nicely it's made. Those are glass. Isn't it pretty? Very nice construction. Has a safety chain. Let me try to put it a little bit more in the light. It really is quite twinkly and sparkly. And it opens and closes fine. This is an oldie. It's gorgeous. Here's another one with a lot of sparkle. I thought this was real diamonds when I first looked at it. They are CZs. This is sterling silver, and it is marked GSJ right there. How beautiful. I love the way there's a little bit of movement. See how it moves? So this would contour to your neck really nicely. Let me just put it in the light. I feel like the camera is not doing this one justice. Still not really. I want to put this one on the torque. Here's what it looks like. Of course, you could also put it on a chain. It probably would look better on a chain, actually. What a beautiful sterling silver pendant this is. Who else loves moonstones? Oh, I love these earrings. Look at the way they reflect. And this little thing would dangle a little bit. I didn't see any marks on these. They are silver though. Let me put these a little bit more into the light. Those are so interesting. I love moonstones, do you? Many of us love amber. This is such a cool ring. It is marked 925 right there. I love the asymmetrical look to it. I love this. I love the inclusions. I love the shade. It's very modernist. Such a cool piece. Nice condition. And we will check the size. It's about a 6.5. Look at the nice height on that too. Definitely have to put this one on our hand, right? That is a lovely thing. I think it's very nicely done, very nicely made. Pretty design on the sterling silver. Beautiful piece of amber. Wow. Here's a pair of delicate sterling silver and opal dangles. Those are likely man-made, I would think. They're still very pretty. My hands are very clumsy. Apologies. Let me try to just stick these in the light a little bit better. I love these. I may have shown you this before, I can't remember. 925. Pretty shape, very flattering on the hand. This ring is a size 9 about. Isn't that beautiful? Lots of silver on this one. It is marked 925 right there. Let's put it on the hand. Here's what it looks like on. What a pretty pink that is. Here's a beautiful old shell cameo. Look at her hair. The carving is lovely on this. Flowers. Oh, you are beautiful. It's marked 925. There's a very nice tube hinge. And then it can also be worn as a pendant. I think this is so nice when they kind of tuck away like this. So if you want to wear it like a brooch, this doesn't have to be sticking out. Isn't she pretty? A nice bit of silver on this one too. Let's put it on the neck. Who else loves cameos? This one is really particularly good. I love the upturned nose. Look at that. It's sweet. I love this item. I showed this a while ago. I wasn't selling it at the time. Now I am. And I got a lot of responses on this. I guess that's a moon face. I don't know what kind of stone that is. These aren't really cracks. They can't be felt with the finger or anything like that. It's just natural to the stone, whatever that is. I don't know what it is. Isn't that cool? Look at the mouth. I don't think it's silver. I do think it's old, however, but let me check for marks. I'll just do it like this because the black is going to wreak havoc with the camera. It doesn't say if it's silver or not, so I'll sell it like it isn't. It probably isn't. I love it though, and I do think it's old. Let's see if we can see through the stone. It's hard to tell, isn't it? See if I have a light right here. I guess it is translucent somewhat. Yeah, it's got a lot of personality. I love it. Let's do one last one. I always sell these bracelets very, very easily. This is a beautiful antique bangle. It opens and closes fine. You just press this, and there you have it. And this one does have a maker. Okay. It's 1/20th gold filled. And it's Rex Manufacturing Company. There it is. It measures 6.5 inches around the inside. That's a lovely old thing, isn't it? This one is in nice condition too. I love the flowers. A little bit of wear, nothing bad. I don't see any dents or anything like that. Sometimes these do get dented up, but this one is not. That's a very pretty piece. Well, that's all I have time for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know below what you think. Let me know if you want to buy anything. My email address, again, is imthefunkypickle@gmail.com. Okay? Thanks again, everyone. Be well. Bye-bye.